For making paneer 65, we need paneer, all-purpose flour, corn flour, curd, curry leaves, dry red chilies, finely chopped onions, green chilies, finely chopped coriander leaves, red chili sauce, lemon, ginger garlic paste, garlic cloves and mustard seeds. Take the paneer pieces in a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now coat the paneer pieces with this mixture. We will now add the lemon juice and make a thick coating for our paneer by adding little water at a time. The paneer pieces should have a coating like this. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat and fry the paneer pieces until they become golden brown from all the sides. Once done, take them out in a plate. Let's prepare the tadka for our paneer 65. For that, heat oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add the dry red chilies, crushed garlic cloves and curry leaves. Fry the masala for a minute on medium heat. Take care not to burn the garlic. Now add the finely chopped onion and fry them until they become soft. At this point, add the chopped green chilies. Now take the curd and add a teaspoon of corn flour in it. This will prevent it from curdling. Stir the masala continuously on medium to high heat after adding the curd. Now add half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce and now mix everything well. Finally add the fried paneer pieces and coat them nicely with the prepared masala mixture. Our paneer 65 is now ready to serve. Garnish it with some finely chopped coriander leaves.